Welcome back to Social Studies 3rd grade. It is week 3. We continue to explore our question, how do cultures around the world influence each other? This week, we're zooming in on this question. Why do countries trade goods and services? This week, I want to teach you that countries around the world trade goods, resources, and services with each other. They do this to get things that they don't have, create jobs, and many other reasons. I'm already starting to think back to what I learned in the Chicago unit about trading goods and resources and services and why that was so important. Again, your agenda for the week is always here, so let's get on to day 1. What do you see and wonder about this? That is a strange picture, right? But if you take a few seconds to really look at it, you're going to start to notice some things. It's not as strange as you think. You start looking a little bit deeper, and maybe it starts to make sense. But maybe you're starting to wonder some things too about what you see. Post these up on Schoology, and we move on to day 2. Day 2, why do countries trade goods and services? Well, we're going to find out in these 3 articles. Countries trade what they have for what they want. Countries trade natural resources. And countries trade goods that they make. Now remember, if you want some assistance in reading this, please click here and the article will be read to you. Okay, make sure you got good notes in your note-taking sheet because on day 3, we are going to do this. I'm asking you to find 3 items in your house that were made in different countries. So you can look at the tag in your t-shirt or the label on a piece of fruit or the writing underneath your clock. Where were these items grown or manufactured? That's just a fancy word for made. Where were they made? And what would your life be like if you did not have access to them? So 2 questions there. Find those 3 items that were made in different places. Where were they grown or made? And what would your life be like if you didn't have access to them? Answer that on Schoology, and we will see you next week.